Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to enroll Rigi user on Cognito Forms submission. So I'm an online educator, and by using Cognito Forms, I've created some sign-up form for my courses. Now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission or I'm going to receive a new sign-up for my course, that automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, I want to automatically enroll my user in my Rigi account. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that what I need to do is I need to simply build a connection between Cognito Forms and Rigi. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission from Cognito Forms, then automatically I'm going to enroll a new user in my Rigi account. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can enroll Rigi user on Cognito Forms submission. So I'm an online educator and I use Cognito Forms to create custom registration form for users who want to sign up for my courses. So whenever someone submits their information through an Cognito Form, then the integration between Cognito Forms and Rigi will automatically create a user account in Rigi. So this will be giving them immediate access to the course material, and this automation will streamline the enrollment process, and it will be ensuring that users don't face delays or confusions. So by reducing the manual steps, I can focus more on creating content and engaging with my students. So here what I want to do is I want to simply build a connection between Cognito Forms and Rigi, and I want to build this connection with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection between Cognito Forms and Rigi without any coding and programming skills. So here with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection, and with this connection, whenever I'm going to receive a new response or a new form submission through Cognito Forms, then automatically it will create a new user account in Rigi, or it will enroll a new user in my course in Rigi. So here I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in, and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to enroll Rigi user on Cognito Forms submission. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I'm going to use this particular folder of automation, so I'm going to select that, and now I'm going to save my workflow in this particular folder, and I need to click on Create. And here it will take us to this most important window of our workflow, and here in this window I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use Cognito Forms. So I'm going to search for that, and now here I need to select Cognito Forms. Now I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and new entry is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect Cognito Forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Cognito Forms and Pabbly Connect. Now here for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I need to take you to my Cognito Forms account. And here this is my Cognito form, or this is my sign up form that I'm going to use. And I want to get all the form submission details from this particular form to Pabbly Connect. So here what I need to do is I need to connect this form with Pabbly Connect, and for that I have this particular option of post JSON data to our website. So here what I need to do is I need to toggle on this button, and when you will toggle on this button you will find this option. Now here I'm going to clear this tab, and here this is going to be the tab that we need, and here we need to give the submit entry endpoint. So here we need to add the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect, and we need to paste that here in this tab. So this particular webhook URL is going to be our entry endpoint, and now with this webhook URL, whenever we are going to receive a new form submission in Cognito Form, then automatically that form submission will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now that I have added my submit entry endpoint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully connected Cognito Forms with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what we need to do is we need to create a new form submission in Cognito Forms. And as we are going to create a new form submission, then automatically we are going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. So for this, let me take you to Cognito Forms. And here in Cognito Forms, I'm going to go to Publish. And here I have this particular link that is my form link. So I'm going to open this link. And here this is my sign up form. Now I'm going to fill all these details here, and I'm going to fill these details so that I can create a new form submission. And as I will create a new form submission, then I want that data in Pabbly Connect. So here I need to first give a first name, and here my first name is going to be dummy, last name is going to be enrollment, my email will be dummyenrollment@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random city, that is going to be Bhopal, and also I'm going to give a random mobile number of my user. So here I have added this random mobile number, and now I have filled all the test details here. So these are going to be the detail of my new registrant who is going to sign up for my course in Rigi. And now I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my form. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of the new form submission that I have just created. And here I have all these details, like I have my form name, that is sign up form. I have the ID. I have my mobile number of my user. This is the random mobile number. Also I have the first name, that is dummy. I have the last name, that is enrollment. I have the full name, that is dummy enrollment. And also I have the email address, that is dummyenrollment@pabblytudes.com, and the city, that is Bhopal. So here we can see that these were all the details that I filled in my form submission, and automatically by using those details, I have created a new form submission, and I have received that detail here in Pabbly Connect. So now whenever I'm going to get a new form submission through Cognito Form, then automatically that form submission will be sent to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to get that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now that I have received all these details of my form submission, now what I want to do is I want to automatically use all these details, and by using these details, I want to enroll a new user in my Rigi account. So for adding or importing or enrolling a new user in Rigi, I need to set up my Actions tab. And here in my Actions tab, I need to use Rigi. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Rigi here. And now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and import user is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And here for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect, I need to give a token. So how I'm going to get this token? For that, what I need to do is I need to first log into my Rigi account, where I will get my Rigi dashboard. And as I will get my dashboard, I need to go to integration, where I will find my option of Pabbly. And as I'm going to enable that option, I will find my key, and that key is going to be my token. So for getting this token, I'm going to take you to my Rigi account, and I have already logged into my Rigi account. So this is my Rigi dashboard, and in this I have this particular option of integrations. So I'm going to open this. And here in integrations, we can see I have this option of Pabbly. So I need to open this. And here in Pabbly option, we need to make sure that we have enabled this option. And as we will enable this option, we will see this Pabbly key. So this particular Pabbly key is going to be my token that I need for connecting Rigi with Pabbly Connect. So I need to copy this key. I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here in this tab of token. Now that I've added my token, I'm going to click on save, and I have successfully connected Rigi with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now for creating a new user, I need to fill all these details, and here for that what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all my response of Cognito Forms, and from that response I'm going to get the detail of my new enrollment, and I'm going to map those details here in these tabs. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So here first I need to give the full name of my user. So here what I need to do is I need to map that, and for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Cognito Forms, and here this is my full name of my user, so I'm going to map this. Now similarly I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here. I will open this response of Cognito Forms, and here this is the email address of my user, so I'm going to map this, and now I'm going to map the phone number. Now also here I have to give the product hash, and here I need to give the product key of the product where I want to enroll a new user. So for getting this product hash, I need to take you to my Rigi account, and in this I need to go to my products. Now here in my products we can see I have all these courses and all these products. Now here I need to use particular course where I want to enroll a new user, and in this I'm going to use this course of ABCD. So this is going to be my product, or this is going to be my course. And now for adding this, what I need to do is I need to get the offering key or the product key of this particular product. So here I have this tab of offering key, and here this is the offering key of my product. So I need to first make this visible. I need to copy this. I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste that here in this tab of product hash. Now that I have added my product hash, I can also give my validity in days, and I only have to fill this if I have to give any amount of days as a validity to my user. So here for the lifetime access I can use -1, and here I can add any number of days as the validity. So here I want to give lifetime access, so I'm just going to type -1, and now I have this option of send email. So here I have this particular option, and if I want to send the email to my newly enrolled user, then I can select this option of yes, and if I don't want to send the emails, then I can select no. I want to send the email, so I have selected yes, and now I have filled all the required details. Now that I have filled all the required details and I have mapped all these details here, and as I have mapped these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through Cognito Forms and I'm going to get a new user detail, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new form submission detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new Cognito Form submission, then automatically I will enroll a new user in my Rigi account. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quiz button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created or I have enrolled a new user in my Rigi account by using all the detail of my user from my Cognito Form submission. Now to check whether I've enrolled a new user or not, let me take you to Rigi. Here I'm going to go to user management, where I have this user list, and in this user list we can see I've just enrolled this new user that is named as dummy enrollment. And here I have the random phone number, and I have the email that is dummyenrollment@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that these are all the details that I filled in my sign up form in Cognito Forms, and automatically by using those details I have enrolled a new user in my Rigi account. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between Cognito Forms and Rigi, and now with this automation, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission or I'm going to receive a new sign up, then automatically by using those details, it will enroll a new user in Rigi automatically. And I have successfully set up this automation and this connection between Cognito Forms and Rigi with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected Cognito Forms and Rigi to automatically enroll Rigi user on Cognito Forms submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Cognito Forms, and my trigger event was new entry. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Rigi, and my action event was import user. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description, so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.